Hi guys, for tonight we're gonna cook some crabs. Earlier we went to the Asian market and we bought some live crabs. So if you plan to cook some crabs, it's better for you to buy it or cook it when it is alive because it's different taste if it is a dead crab already. So and then if it is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to like and subscribe on the bottom here and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Okay, let's go. So our ingredients for today is coconut milk powder, some chili. If you have kids, you can. It's an optional, and of course the garlic, onions, ginger, some vegetables like carrots and some bok choy, and of course our live crabs. Can you see it? This one is a mixture of Indian spices like curry, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, and cumin. So usually we bought some Indian spices so that we can have a taste of our Indian style cuisine. Okay, so we're gonna use this for our crabs. Okay, so kompleto na yung ingredients natin. So we have the onions, garlic, carrots, Indian spices, cocoa milk powder, and some vegetables, some chili, and our crabs. And last but not the least, if you want it more sweet, I usually use Sprite on my cooking as well for any seafood that I try to cook. Okay, let's start. Okay, we can start with garlic. And while waiting for the garlic to be golden brown, I can already put the onions at the side and the ginger at the side. Okay, once the garlic is already golden brown, you can mix your onions and ginger. Then we can put the crabs now. See? Here. also put the carrots now. Then we can put the Sprite. Okay, and then we can let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can put the other ingredients as well. Okay, so once it's boiling, we can put the coconut milk. And then we put the Indian spices with the curry. And we put some chilies. Okay. So we can use Thai fish sauce as well for our seasoning. Okay. Then you can already put all of your vegetables. Okay, so luto na yung crabs, and we can put it on the serving plate now. Okay, so this is the crab that we had, and let's eat. Come on, gutom na ako. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe the button down, and please continue to stay tuned for more upcoming cooking videos that we have. Okay, thank you, bye bye.